2020 350 XCF. If you guys watch my xcf-w video, I complained that it's too mild. Okay, this is more what I'm talking about. This amount of power feels pretty good. I don't know why the 350 XCF I rode with the cone valve felt like it had a little more hit. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so now I'm starting to see some of the places where the track shock was helping me and I didn't even realize it, right? Check this double. Watch this tabletop for all my moto guys. I think I found my sweet spot, guys. The two-stroke W's are a little too mellow. The two-stroke XCs are a little too violent. This 350 XCF, perfect. I need to do some research and see what kind of longevity. But this bike feels like the perfect mix for me on a loop like this. Like a more of a racy open loop. Not for hard enduro by any means. Alright guys, so thoughts on the 350 XCF. My favorite bike for the type of loop you saw me ride today. That won't be for everybody, obviously. I don't think it's the best for everybody, but based on my weight and my skill level, my weight is above normal. My skill level is, I would say, intermediate. I mean, I have been riding motorcycles for 15 years, so I'm definitely not a newbie, but I'm not a pro racer by any means. So for my skill level, my weight, that 350 XCF was a knockout of the park. Perfect amount of power, and yes, I know that can be played with, but we're talking about right out of the box. I'm not talking about bikes that have been modified. The two-stroke XCs are too violent for me. They wear me out. Maybe if I rode all the time, I rode a lot of woods, I tweaked them, things would be different, but out of the box, they wear me out. XCWs be great for trail riding. They feel too tame to me to race. I would like a two-stroke in the middle of those somewhere. 350 XCW, 350 Xcf-w, very mellow, too mellow. This 2020 350 XCF is perfect amount of power. Suspension felt pretty good. The only downside I could see in the whole bike compared to the two strokes and the 250 is when I would get in a spot, like I'd hit a root or a rock, or I'd lose traction and start to slide over, it seemed to take a little more to correct it and get it back than it did the other bikes. But I don't know. Definitely my favorite of the day. Sweet bike.